Imagine standing in the middle of a vast green field, where the ground stretches endlessly under the sun and thousands of watermelons rest quietly on the soil. Each one looks simple from the outside, but inside, it holds freshness, sweetness, and a journey that most people never see. Today, we're stepping inside a modern watermelon factory to uncover how these ordinary-looking fruits are transformed into refreshing juices, frozen treats, candies, and desserts enjoyed all over the world. The journey begins long before the factory doors open. It starts on carefully managed farms where watermelon seeds are planted in nutrient-rich soil. Farmers monitor the land closely, controlling irrigation, sunlight exposure, and soil conditions to ensure each watermelon grows evenly and develops its signature sweetness. Over several weeks, the vines spread across the fields, and the fruits slowly increase in size, storing water, sugar, and flavor inside their thick green rinds. When the watermelons reach peak ripeness, they're harvested at just the right moment, because even a small delay can affect taste and texture. Harvesting is done with precision. Workers inspect each watermelon visually and by sound, gently tapping them to identify the perfect hollow tone that signals ripeness. Once selected, the watermelons are cut from the vines and carefully loaded into crates or trucks designed to prevent bruising. These trucks begin their journey toward the processing facility, carrying tons of fresh produce that must be processed quickly to preserve quality. As the watermelons arrive at the factory, the first thing that stands out is scale. Conveyor belts stretch across massive halls, stainless steel machines hum quietly, and teams of workers monitor every stage. The trucks unload their cargo into designated intake zones, where the watermelons are weighed and logged. This helps the factory track production efficiency and maintain consistent quality. Before any processing begins, cleanliness is critical. The watermelons move onto wide conveyor belts that carry them into industrial washing systems. Powerful jets of clean water spray across the surface, removing dirt, dust, and any residue from the fields. Rotating brushes gently scrub the rinds, ensuring every watermelon is spotless before moving forward. This step is essential because even a clean-looking watermelon can carry bacteria on its outer skin. After washing, the watermelons enter the inspection phase. Advanced camera systems and trained quality control staff work together to detect imperfections. Any watermelon with cracks, soft spots, or signs of spoilage is automatically removed. Only the best fruits continue down the line, ensuring that the final products meet strict safety and taste standards. Once approved, the watermelons move toward automated cutting stations. Here, high-speed stainless steel blades slice through the thick rinds with incredible accuracy. The machines are calibrated to minimize waste while preserving as much flesh as possible. The rind is separated from the vibrant red interior, and the flesh is cut into large chunks. At this stage, the factory already fills with the fresh, sweet aroma of watermelon. The separated rind doesn't go to waste. In many modern factories, it's collected and sent for further processing. Some of it is used to make pickled products, animal feed, or even biodegradable packaging materials. Sustainability plays a major role in today's food factories, and watermelon processing is no exception. The watermelon flesh now moves into specialized crushing and pulping machines. These machines gently break down the fruit, releasing its juice while maintaining its natural color and flavor. Depending on the final product, the pulp may be filtered or left slightly textured. For juice production, fine mesh filters remove seeds and fiber, creating a smooth liquid. For dessert bases, some pulp is kept thicker to add body and richness. Seed removal is another crucial step. Modern factories use centrifugal systems that spin the pulp at high speed, separating seeds from the juice. The seeds are collected separately and often roasted, packaged, or used to extract watermelon seed oil, which is popular in cosmetics and health products. Now comes one of the most important stages, pasteurization. To ensure safety and extend shelf life, the watermelon juice or pulp is gently heated for a short period. This process kills harmful microorganisms without destroying the fruit's natural sweetness or nutrients. Precision is key here because overheating can change the flavor and color. Once pasteurized, the watermelon base is ready to be transformed into a variety of delicious products. For watermelon juice, the liquid is cooled rapidly and transferred into sterile storage tanks. Flavor adjustments may be made at this stage, sometimes blending in lemon juice or natural extracts to enhance freshness. The juice then flows into automated filling machines, where bottles are filled, sealed, labeled, and prepared for distribution. For frozen desserts, the process takes a different path. Watermelon pulp is blended with sugar or natural sweeteners, depending on the recipe. The mixture is then poured into freezing machines that churn it continuously. This prevents large ice crystals from forming, giving sorbets and popsicles their smooth texture. The bright red mixture slowly thickens as it freezes, transforming into a refreshing dessert perfect for hot days. In the popsicle production line, molds move along conveyors as the watermelon mixture is poured in. Wooden sticks are inserted with mechanical precision, and the molds pass through rapid freezing tunnels. Within minutes, the liquid becomes solid. Once frozen, the popsicles are released from their molds, wrapped individually, and packed into boxes ready for shipment. Watermelon-based candies follow another fascinating process. The pulp is cooked down with sugar and natural stabilizers, forming a thick syrup. This syrup is poured into molds or shaped into strips and bites. After cooling and setting, the candies are coated lightly to prevent sticking and enhance shine. These products are especially popular in markets where fruit-flavored sweets dominate. Some factories also produce watermelon jams and spreads. In this process, the pulp is simmered slowly with sugar and natural pectin until it thickens into a spreadable consistency. The mixture is constantly stirred to prevent burning and ensure even texture. Once ready, it's poured into sterilized jars, sealed, and cooled before labeling. Throughout the entire factory, quality control never stops. Samples are taken regularly and tested for flavor, color, sugar content, and safety. Trained technicians analyze every batch, making sure each product tastes exactly as expected. Any deviation is corrected immediately, maintaining consistency across thousands of units. Packaging is the final major stage. Whether it's juice bottles, dessert cups, candy bags, or frozen treats, each product is sealed to protect freshness. Automated labeling machines apply branding, nutritional information, and expiration dates with perfect alignment. The packaged goods are then packed into cartons and stacked onto pallets by robotic arms. Before leaving the factory, the products enter cold storage or climate-controlled warehouses, depending on their requirements. Frozen desserts remain at sub-zero temperatures, while juices and candies are stored in cool, dry conditions. Logistics teams coordinate shipments to supermarkets, restaurants, and distributors around the world. What's remarkable about a modern watermelon factory is how technology and nature work together. From the moment a watermelon is picked in the field to the moment it becomes a dessert in your hands, every step is designed to preserve freshness, reduce waste, and deliver flavor. Machines handle speed and precision, while human expertise ensures quality and safety. The next time you enjoy a glass of watermelon juice, a frozen popsicle, or a sweet candy, you'll know the incredible journey behind it. What started as a simple fruit growing under the sun has traveled through a world of science, engineering, and craftsmanship to become something truly special. And that's the complete journey inside a modern watermelon factory, where freshness meets innovation, and a humble fruit is transformed into delicious desserts enjoyed by millions every single day.